Hello students, today I am starting with a new chapter, angle. Okay, see I have an old textbook, so if you have a new textbook, kindly remove chapter number 6. I want everyone to be ready with their pencil, eraser and geometry box. Okay, see I have a geometry box. This is a rounder. This is another part of a rounder which has equal points, and this is a scale, protractor. This is a semicircle and we call it a protractor. Okay, so for this chapter you require a protractor, so kindly arrange for a protractor. Okay, so let us begin the new lesson. Okay, so I am ready with all my things. So let's start. See, let us do a small recap. In 4th standard, chapter number 1, you must have learned about different types of angles, right? This is a right angle, 90 degree. Okay, so how you know whether it is a right angle? See, this protractor, no, it has few numbers. Let me teach you how you should read the protractor, or how you should different numbers or degrees you call them degree. Okay, so 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 18. Okay, and there is a midpoint which is 90. Okay, that is a right angle. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. Okay, and there is an inner degree also. See, this is the outer, now the numbers which are outside also have 0 to 100 degrees, and the numbers which are in the inner circle, inner semicircle, also has 0 to 180 degree. Here also 0 to 180 degree, and inner circle also 0 to 180 degree. Now you will say, why both in one protractor we have two different degrees, from here also and from here also? So why? I'll tell you, children. See, okay, how you come to know whether it is a right angle? When any angle is at 90 degrees, see, okay, I'm keeping the protractor. So if there is a line, for example, see, if there is a line, so what you will do? You will place it center of the line, or anywhere, wherever you want, any point. So the straight line is the straight line from the center is always 90 degree. Okay, see, here it is 90 degree. Okay, children, so let us we will learn as the chapter progresses. So here also this is a right angle, so I will keep here and I'll show you. See, this is a center from here. If you measure, so it's 90 degree, right, children? So this is a right angle. Any angle which is having 90 degrees is a right angle. Square, rectangle are also angles, examples of right angle. Triangle, right angle, okay, then right angle. Then this is an acute angle. What's the meaning of an acute angle, children? Acute angle means lesser than 90 degree. Okay, this was straight and this was 90 degree. Okay, see, 90 degree. But this, when you place it here, see here it is one inner wala lena hai. Whenever it is acute angle which is smaller than lesser than 90 degree is acute angle. Okay, 90 डिग्री से कम होगा तो दैट इज एन acute angle. So there you will use the inner semicircles degrees. Okay, you will use this, right children, inner wala, to see whether, to check whether it is lesser than 90 degree or it is more than 90 degree. So if it is lesser than 90 degree, see, when you place it here and it's lesser than 90 degree, no, because it is close, this point and this point is close, no, so obviously it is lesser than 90 degree. This angle is lesser than 90 degree, no, right? 90 degree means right angle, so this is right angle, which is always at 90 degree. Okay, and acute angle is lesser than 90 degree. Acute angle is lesser than 90 degree. Okay, so always remember. And obtuse angle, see, this is the center, place it here and the angle goes outside, so you see children. Okay, so this is more than 90 degree. Okay, so it is more than 90 degree, it is around, let's see, 120 degree. So this is an more than 90 degree. Okay, right children? So obtuse angle is more than 90 degree, acute angle is lesser than 90 degree. Okay children, and right angle is always at 90 degree. Okay, now look at the clock given below. Write whether the hands make a right angle, an acute angle or an obtuse angle in the given box. Okay, so what you will do children, see, for right angle you can write right angle, for acute you will write the spelling small, lesser than 90 degree. Okay, one more thing, simple example. Acute angle, if you don't have a protector to understand, it is closer to 90 degree. Okay, this is my 90 degree, it is closer to 90 degree. Okay, but if you have an obtuse angle which is larger than 90 degree, it is wider. So if I am using two scales to show you, so this is a right angle, and if you have an acute angle, it will be closer to 90 degree. Okay, whether it is this way or whether it is this way, it will be always closer to 90 degree. But obtuse angle will be always wider than 90 degree, means if this is a 90 degree, this will be always this way, this way. Okay, understood? Acute angle 90 डिग्री के पास होता है, obtuse angle 90 डिग्री से दूर होता है. 90 डिग्री means right angle. Okay, so let us see. ये क्या है? This is a 90 degree. So this is an acute angle or an obtuse angle? Tell me. Can anybody tell me? Think. Okay, first, if you don't understand, then just turn your book and see. See where it takes you. Place the protector here and see. This is at 90 degree. So this is an example of obtuse angle because it is more than 90 degree. Check the hands of the clock. Children, this is nearer to 90 degree. देखो ये अंदर है ना, इसके पास है. ये देखो दूर है, ऐसे नहीं है, इसको क्रॉस कर गया. सी 90 डिग्री मीन्स राइट एंगल. लो चिल्ड्रन, पर ये देखो ये कहाँ गया है, राइट? 90 डिग्री मीन्स कैसा होता है? इट लुक्स लाइक एन एल, सी, राइट? बट दिस इज गॉन हियर. So this is an obtuse angle. Okay, so you can please use a pencil. Then see this angle. Okay, this is the base. Now this is the 90 degree. Okay, right angle. अभी ये right angle के अंदर है कि बाहर है? Where it is? It is inside right angle. Okay, it is inside. It is closer to right angle. So it is an acute angle. Okay, children. Then see, this is a right angle. Right angle always looks like an L. So what it is, children? This is right angle. Okay, this first you write full form. Okay, then this is right angle. Okay, children. Then check this. What is it? Okay, this is the base. This is the base. अब इसका right angle क्या है? Think. See, this is the base. Okay, and this is the middle point. So what it is, children? Let us check. Use a protector. Okay, I am using. See, it is. This is 90 degree. देखो ये 90 डिग्री है. ऐसे बनाओ. Make imaginary lines. See, this is more than 90 degree. Right, children? So even this is an obtuse angle. See, if you want, you can turn the book and check. See, place it here, center, and see, this is 90 degree and it is more than 90 degree. So always use a protector to check. Be sure about it. Then let us keep it here and check. Which angle is this? Sorry. This is right angle. This is right angle. See, children, it's a fun exercise. So please use a protector. Now let us place it here. Always follow the base. See, this is the 90 degree and this is acute angle because it is lesser than 90 degree. Please write neatly and correct spelling. Acute angle. Okay, children. So these are the simple. This is the simple way we can solve this exercise. Now let us learn little more about it. Okay. Components of angle, naming an angle. See, there is an angle. Now it is very important to label the angle, name the angle. जैसे हम diagram को लिखते हैं ना, phases of moon, rotation of earth, any diagram, circle A, B, point A, B. Similarly, you have to write the names of the angle. So, teacher, Monu, what does the diagram given here show? What does the diagram given here show? Monu, the diagram shows an angle. Sir, do angle have names? Monu पूछता है. Teacher, yes, angle have names. Can you see the lines in the diagram? See, can you see the lines in the diagram? First line, second line. Tell me their names. Monu, this diagram has two lines. First line, second line. Line AB and line BC. Okay, AB and BC. Teacher, which is the common point between the two lines? Common point क्या है? देखो, BA बोलो या AB बोलो, BC बोलो या CB बोलो. Common factor क्या है? The common point is B. These two lines join together to form an angle. These two lines join together to form an angle. The common point is B. The common point B is called the vertex. This is called the vertex. Vertex BA, vertex BC are the arms of the angle. Are the arms of the angle. Okay? एक angle है जिसके arms है, मतलब hands है. Then Monu, then sir, what is the name of the angle? What is the name of the angle? Teacher, an angle is named by 3 letters. The letter in the middle represents the vertex of the angle. So this is the vertex. Okay, this is the vertex of the angle. Monu, that means the name of the angle is ABC. What is the name of the angle? ABC. Is that right? Teacher, yes. While naming the angle, we say angle ABC. Sir, instead of angle ABC, can we say angle CBA? Can we say angle CBA? Yes. We can call the angle ABC or angle CBA. Both are correct. The symbol angle represents the word angle. We use this symbol to write angle ABC or angle ABC. Instead of writing angle ABC, you can write angle ABC. So this is the short form, means angle का short form है this sign. Okay, this is the angle sign. This is the sign. So whenever you will write, you will use this sign. Okay, I have already written for you. So let us see. See, name of the angle. Angle PQR. Or angle RQP. See this vertex, no? Vertex is Q. It will always remain in the center. Okay, children? Vertex. Vertex is Q. Arms. Which are the arms of the angle? And arm QP and QR. Okay, always start from the vertex. Angle, arms. QR and QP. Now second one, angle LMN or angle NML. Okay, so you can write this way also and this way. You can name the angle from both the ways. NML, LMN. Which is the vertex, children? M is the vertex. Arms of an angle. ML and MN. Okay, children? Then, last one. Okay. Angle SUT. Angle or angle TUS. Okay, children? Vertex U. Vertex U, and arms of the angles are US and UT.